Welcome to Holla for a Dollar, Dollar Tree Haul.
Hey everyone, it's Cynthia. How you doing? I hope everyone is doing great because you know I am. Welcome to my Holla for a Dollar. Hey! Dollar Tree haul. We're doing the tech version, okay? We've got a lot of, you know, some backup electronic things, some little cute little gadgets to go with our cell phones, for our cell phones and our tablet. So let's jump right in, okay? We've got, the first thing I got is this tablet sleeve. I absolutely love these. These come in red, black, and blue and hot pink, okay? And these tablet sleeves are for your tablet, so it's a small one like this, as you can see, okay? So I really like that. And they also have tablet and what is this, iPad, the iPad size. So if you can see that, very nice and cushiony, that felt like type material. I really like it. I mean, I got it in black, but I also have it in hot pink. You know, a girl's gotta have her pink. And what I do is I kind of double it up to make sure that it's, you know, protected. So I do have my tablet in here like that. And then what I do is, you know, because, you know, this is kind of ugly, so I want to have my stuff, when I pull it out, I want it to be pretty. So I've got this hot pink one, which is gorgeous, and I also got these two in black. So I would do the same if I was, you know, wanted to transfer my tablet over to black. I could do that and still have it doubly protected. Okay, so that's out of the way. That. Off the chain, the absolute best brush in the Dollar Tree. I don't care what anyone says, I absolutely love it, especially you ladies who are putting gel on your one of those edges down. This hair styling kit right here, just the brush alone, you don't need this comb. It's awesome to lay down that olive gel that we all been using. Yes, this will work. Love the Vaseline petroleum jelly and cocoa butter. Love that cocoa butter smell. Got this. Always need a carrier for my MP3 player or for my small little radio. So this works out really well for me. So yeah, they've got the little carrier case here, which is so cute, which will look really good in my purse too. And you know what, you can also use this as a money, you can put your money in there and it'll stay. Okay, so move that out the way. And then I've got these cute little hair bows. I keep seeing them and I was like, you know what, I can't go wrong with black, so I got two of those, and that's by Gimme Clips. And then being organized, I got these. I was watching Do It on a Dime, and she recommended, a great idea. She used these to put her gift wrap, what do you call them? The rolls of her gift wrap for Christmas. She used this to put them in there, okay? So I was like, oh, that's a good idea. It gets it up off of the floor and out of the way. I got the gown version. And because one of my gift wrapping rolls was really long, so I got that, but I don't think I needed the gown version. I could have got the dress or the suit. So, you know, depending on the size of your rolls, as far as your gift wrapping rolls are, get that size. Don't get the long gown one. You don't need that, but I think I'll just put a gown in there anyway. Move that out of my way. Okay, look. They had these mobile phone dust plugs. Absolutely gorgeous. And if you don't know what I mean by dust plugs, it is this right here at the top where you put your earphones on, or your you know, the little your telephone, when you jack your telephone jack. See that? So cute, right? So you can see it all blinged out and gorgeous, looking like Hello Kitty. Yes, and in pink too, and in a bow. So cute. So all you do is, it's just a little plug, and it keeps the dust and dirt out of the insert part there. You just stick that in there and it's fully protected. And I got it in a star, a heart, and a purple blinged out ball. So cute. Isn't that cute? All for $1 a piece. You can't go wrong with that. Moving right along, I also found this charge and sync docket. Excellent to set up a charging station in your, on your desk or on a shelf or something in your home. Make sure you test it first to make sure that your phone will fit the charging station, which mine did. So I got this. I do not know if my husband's will fit, so I will check it out, but most likely I think it will. So I'm going to go back and get another one. And that's the charge and sync docks. Okay? Next, look at this. I was so shocked to see these little mini stylus. I got them in green and in red. Too freaking cute. Excellent for your cell phones. So, and it's got the little thing where you just put it where that instead of having your little duster in there, you would sync that plug where your duster would be, and then it would hang on the side of your cell phone. Too cute, and you can keep all those nasty fingerprints off of the phone. I love it, and I'm going to be using that periodically. These USB car chargers are now coming in color, so I got a blue one, and it's blinged down at the bottom too. Look at that, ladies. Too cute. Yes, honey. So feminine, guys. Jump on that, okay? And then here, some matching earphone plugs. Yes, girl, I'm all about, getting my music on and making sure that, I keep myself cool, calm, and collected. Music does that for me, girl. So right here, we're gonna sidestep a little. I got this lovely two-piece, it's multifunctional cell phone stand, okay? I got this from Walmart. I was so excited to get it because not only can you use this for a cell phone stand, but it's also a picture frame. And girls, guess what? You can use it also for a business card holder. Yes, honey. So when you got me all post up on your phone because you're watching my video right now, you can post me up right in your little cell phone holder, and then you can click on Cinster One and you can go ahead and, watch my videos, and then, but you can also turn it that way so that you can watch my videos full screen, right, ladies and gentlemen? You right, hint, 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 hint. Okay, moving on. To keep my music going, I love Macy Gray. So I got her CD, $1, and I also got Leah Jones. I think I heard some of her music. I'm not quite sure, but I'm sure I'm gonna like it because you know what? I think one of the ladies that I've been watching, she had got this CD and she liked it, and I was like, okay, I'm gonna check her out. So I got it. We're gonna keep going. Look at these cosmetic bags, $1 in gold. Now these are for my divas that are going out or changing their bags up. They've got gold going on and they want to keep everything in their purse looking unified and everything. As far as cosmetics are concerned, $1 and you will look fabulous, right? But a lot of us now are also using these as tech bags. So I bought two. One maybe be cosmetics, the other one is a tech bag. So that when I do change up and anything in my purse is gold, and I want to change up and I want to have matching things here, I can put one for my cosmetics and the other one's going to be for my cords for my phones and stuff. So for my phone and my camera and my MP3 player, so I can put all my things in here. So I highly recommend these. Don't ignore these cosmetic bags at the Dollar Tree. The other thing I want to show you, let me slide that this way, is what is this? Mouse pad. Too cute. Again, it is a photo frame. It's a photo size frame actually, and it is a photo frame. You just slide your photo right in there, and it is also a mouse pad. So you will be able to have two things going on. You will be able to appreciate the picture that's on the inside, and you will be able to look how, use it for your mouse pad. So yeah, I really like that, and it is just too freaking cute. I'll leave that right there. Now, these cosmetic bags are absolutely awesome, awesome, awesome. They are so well made and so thick. I mean, this is by Sassy Chic. I love these. When I seen these, I was like, oh, I have to have it. Now look at this. I mean, they, you know, they're heavy. They're made very well. They're very strong. They also have like little snaps on the side so that you can snap this here down so it's not sticking up all over the place like this, which I thought was cute. It also has a little hoop here that you can carry it or hook it to, so something like inside your purse or inside your suitcase or whatever you're using this for. You can use this as a cosmetic bag, but girls, I am using it as my tech bag in my Diva space, and this is where I keep all of my gadgets right now, and I have it sitting up on a shelf, and it looks so cute because these are the colors that I have in my Diva space. So yes, I got those, and again, they're made very well. Now they come in this blue, and they also come in a orange. Unfortunately, they don't come in any other colors but those two, and maybe I'll get the orange another time, but it was just so loud. I was like, what am I gonna do with orange? Nothing. It's probably just make me mad. I don't know. The last thing is I'm getting my reading on. The Dollar Tree has some good books, people. They sure did. The Art of Growing Old by Marie D. Hinenzel. See that? Let me pull back some. Very, very nice. Of course, we're getting up there. Some of us are getting up there, and if you're interested in some store, something like this, if you see it in your store, please grab it. Okay, this is how. This is the name of this book. Help for the Self. Proven aid in overcoming and more. And honey, you don't even want to know what they're talking about. It can help you overcome. Some of the things they're talking about is if you feel you always end up alone, or if you feel you don't have enough sex with your spouse and you don't know why, if you're fat and you fail at every diet, stuff like that, honey. That's the makings, excuse me, of some good reading right there. You know I had to grab that. And then of course my girl Ask Wendy, okay? Ask Wendy anything, all right? So I'm gonna read what somebody asked, what you all asked, or what they all asked, and wanna know what the hell she told them. And then right here, you know we are in a cyber world, and you need to know, or I need to know what's going on. So I got this black dark market, cyber thieves, cyber cops, and you. Honey, they talking about us, and we need to be up on it. So everyone, that is my tech Dollar Tree haul. I had a wonderful time doing this one also. I am enjoying myself. As you can see, I've been hollering out now, okay? And I told you, I got so much stuff, I'm still not done. So look out for my next Holla for a Dollar. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Thank you for watching Holla for a Dollar. Please comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.